Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the base. Rice flour tortillas because they crisp and stay gluten-free. Mix 2 cups rice flour with 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon oil and a pinch of salt until a pliable dough forms, and then rest it 15 to 20 minutes. This hydrates the flour and prevents cracking. Once done, divide into 8 even balls and press or roll each to about 1/8 inch thickness. Make sure to keep them covered so they do not dry out. You now transform tortillas into chips. Heat oil to 350 degrees to 360 degrees F and test with a small scrap so you avoid soggy chips. Fry each tortilla for 30 to 45 seconds, turning once, until light golden. Drain on paper towels to remove excess oil, which keeps crunch. Once you have chips, arrange them in a single even layer. Then add cheese and toppings in 1/2 inch increments so heat distributes evenly and melts the cheese through the stack. You finish by baking. Preheat to 425 degrees F and bake the layered nachos for 6 to 8 minutes until the cheese bubbles and edges brown. This melts without burning. Once out, add fresh toppings like salsa, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime so flavors brighten. Serve immediately to preserve texture. If you get soggy chips, re-crisp by baking uncovered for a few minutes, or crisp plain, chips separately and assemble just before serving so you keep the crunch you worked for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.